The recently launched GPD Win Max 2 is a versatile handheld PC with a huge improvement in both design and performance. And from the looks of it, it has been designed for regular, office, and gaming use. And it does work pretty well in all criteria. So does a laptop, but in a much bigger form factor. In this video, we compare the GPD Win Max 2 with an actual laptop to figure out whether you can adopt this handheld PC as your go-to portable device. So, without further ado, let's get started, shall we? The first plus of having the Win Max 2 as a daily driver is the form factor. It's bigger compared to standard gaming handhelds but more compact than a typical laptop. Users can effortlessly hold it in their hands for a longer period, which is not as comfortable with a laptop. The QWERTY keyboard layout combined with joystick and D-pad makes it versatile for gaming as well as normal use. Although it sounds cool, the Win Max 2 lacks the screen real estate that a laptop often has. A bigger screen does make a difference for almost any kind of use, whether it's gaming, productivity, or content consumption. But we do have to admire the surround sound speakers, built-in camera, and a wide fleet of connectivity options on the GPD Win Max 2, which makes it no less than an actual laptop. Laptops these days are quite intensive on the performance side due to the specs that can be cramped inside of them. Take the ROG Zephyrus M16 for example. Powered by a 12th Gen i9 CPU and an RTX 3080, this thing is a gaming beast. Surprisingly, similar sort of specs are now available on the handheld side as well. Under the hood, the GPD Win Max 2 packs powerful CPUs such as AMD 6800U and Intel 12th Gen 1260p, which makes it compete against its powerful laptop counterparts. So you won't be falling behind on the performance side that much with the Win Max 2. However, there's a catch. Upgrading a handheld is not as easy as it is with a full-blown laptop. People can plug in an internal SSD or upgrade the RAM quite conveniently on a laptop. As mentioned earlier, GPD Win Max 2 is designed for more than just gaming. It can be used for general browsing, working on documents, and even video calling. The touchscreen also makes it simple to jot down notes with a stylus pen. The only thing holding it back is the limited screen size. A laptop, on the other hand, is an ideal portable machine. Although they're not as compact as a GPD Win Max 2, they get the job done pretty well. They're also getting lighter and slimmer with every new release, which makes carrying hassle-free. Will laptops become irrelevant due to portable PCs such as the GPD Win Max 2? Let us know in the comments down below. We do acknowledge how handheld gaming PCs are getting more and more popular, but laptops are still widely used by most people. So, that was all about the GPD Win Max 2. Thanks for watching. If you found this video to be helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment below to let us know your thoughts. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.